Hi students, myself Kishore Dasari. I am your faculty of Object Oriented Programming through C++. Today I will discuss about Object Oriented Programming through C++, introduction and difference between C and C++. First of all, the contents of this presentation are introduction to C++, why to learn C++, the basic programming of Hello World using C++, C++ compilers, advantages of the C++, and final one is difference between C and C++. Okay, come to the point. Introduction to C++. C++ is a advanced version of C language. I think all of you know about C language. C is a basic programming language which helps to develop programs like operating system and anything other games, other programs, etc. In our programming language, every programming language is helps to develop programs. A program consists of many things. The totally program sometimes called as code, source program, or else. First of all, we will introduce C. C is a programming language developed in 19 alongside the Unix operating system. Before C, after C, the programming can more difference between the time evolution before C language, after C language. We have so many languages before C also. Basic, Fortran, COBOL. This introducing C. After that, the C language is introduced in 1970. Like the C programming language provides a comprehensive set of features handling a wide variety of applications such as system development and scientific computations. System development applications like your apps, for example, you are able to book a ticket in IRCTC website. This is the application. Nowadays, all applications are called like shortcut in the form of apps. Apps is a application. Every application is developed by a programming language. Every application, every game, every uh, for example, your Photoshop applications, Word, MS Office applications. Applications are different types: scientific application, system development application, languages. Mm, I think all of you know about scientific calculators, normal calculators. What is calculator? What is mean by calculator? Calculate some operations like arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, modular. These are all arithmetic operation done by normal calculator. Normal calculator. What is this scientific computing calculator? A, a calculator having more options or more features which is provided by the calculator, the scientific calculator, like trigonometry applications, trigonometry calculations, and sine values, triangle. You have to maybe you want to calculate a length of edges. Okay, perimeter of the triangle, perimeter of the square. There is to write a own formula for our application, for our calculation. In the scientific calculator, that is possible. Okay, the C plus plus, C plus plus, it means more than C. It means extension of the C. It means and advanced versions of the C programming language. Simply, C plus plus is an extension of the C language. In that, most C programs are also C plus plus program. Simply, you have write a program in C, but the C program also is in C plus plus environment. Simple thing, just simple thing. You have a 2 centimeter disk placed in a table. You have another 1 centimeter a disk which is able to place in 2 centimeter disk also. That's the matter. C programs can execute in C plus plus environment, but C plus plus programs cannot execute in C environment. Next one point is C plus plus as opposite to C supports object oriented feature is added. The main feature is added in C plus plus, that is object oriented program, which is our title of the course, that is object oriented program through C plus plus. We can learn how to object oriented program in C plus plus environment. We have several object oriented programming languages. Basic are C plus plus, Java, C Sharp.net, etc. These are all object oriented programming languages. The languages supports object oriented programming concepts. And C plus plus is a middle level programming language developed by Brazen starting in 1979 at Bell Labs, New Jersey, United States of America. The C plus plus middle level programming which is developed by Brazen Stronsup in 1979 at Bell Labs, America, New Jersey, America. The C plus plus run on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and various versions of Unix. I think all of you know about Windows, which is developed by Microsoft. So many operating system versions developed by Microsoft. Windows 10, XP, before XP, Windows 98, XP, Vista, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS. Mac OS, which is developed by Apple, and various versions of Unix. Unix is a different type of program, different type of environment, and Fedora, Red Hat Linux, etc. The C++ tutorial adopts the simple and practical approach to describe the concepts of C++ for beginners to advanced software engineers. The C++ programming language, the beauty of the C++ is it supports so many environments, and many developers can use C++. So this vast number of developers can use C++, and C++ supports many object oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, dynamic binding, security, and fast programming language. And one other one is the C++ is one of the evergreen programming languages and loved by millions of software developers. What is mean by green programming language? Green, eco-friendly. Here, green programming language means code coverage of the program. So many features are there. So many advantages are there. You can write a program, that means the program can use memory and CPU cycles, that means processor, can effectively without wastage or light wastage. That is mean by green programming. And there is so many developers are there. The C++ is most widely used programming language in application and system development. You can choose your area of interest of software development. So many so many like games, gaming development, and different type of application like Adobe and browser development. The Mozilla Firefox browser is developed in C++ environment. The C++ is really teaches you the difference between compiler, linker, loader, different data types, storage classes, variable types, and they in every level of the or every program language learner or CPP learner is every programming learner or programmer can learn writing a code starts with hello world program. The hello world program is simply display hello world. In C language, we can write a hello world program like hash include stdio.h, void main braces open, print f bracket open, hello world in quotations, close colon, close the flower bracket, that means close the main, and run the program. Simply you can see in your screen like hello world. Likewise, in C++ programming language, you can change some few things like header files, header files and output statements. In C language, we can use printf as a output statement, but in C++, that is simply cout. Header files difference is hash include IO stream. In C++ programming language, we can the programming input on output like a stream of the bytes packets, input stream and output stream. Okay, coming to output statement, that is cout. Hello world in quotations is like C language, and return 0 close. The cout means the output can be displayed in our console or black window, empty window, that is hello world. Next, compilers of the C++. First of all, I think all of you learn what about compiler in your C programming language classes. Okay, I will recollect that. What is mean by compiler? The high level programming or high level language code can be converted into low level or machine understandable language by the compiler. That means every programmer can write a program in that particular programming manner, like CPP in C in, cout, etc. But the system doesn't understanding that type of high level language. What is this machine understandable language? I think all of you know that simply zeros and ones. That is binary language. Binary by it means only two values, that is 0 and 1. The machine can understand only zeros and ones, but you can't able to write, you can't able to message like zeros and ones. You have to write a code in high level language, that is our C++. A compiler can convert high level programming language to machine understandable language. We have so many compilers. Different type of compilers can be developed by different type of companies. Apple developed by Apple C++ .xcode. IBM C++ was developed. Intel C++ developed by Intel company. What is the Microsoft invention? That is Microsoft Visual C++. These are all environments of the different type of environments can use different type of compilers. Some compilers are used for only graphical programs. Graphical programs, that is meant for graphics. And what are the applications of C++? That means what type of application can be developed in C++? I am already told that. That is game development, application development, browser development, runtime application development, web application development, automated uh, automated artificial intelligent artificial intelligent systems like embedded systems. First of all, application software development by using applications like Adobe, which is developed in C++ environment. And the beauty of C++ and C is the programming language can helps another programming language development. The I think all of you know about Python, but Python programming language is written in C++. The beauty of the C++ is hey, the the can help to develop another programming language. And computation programming, already told that is scientific calculators. You can write your own formulas. We can develop virtual labs by using C++. And games development, in gaming environment, very fast and efficient games can be developed in C++. Embedded systems and artificial intelligence systems. Today, so many manufacturing units can be converted into automated. If you are search in Google like automated car development in automated machine automation, factory automation, that means a manufacturing units can run without human being, only machine production by using robotic hands. The machine code can be developed in C++ programming language. Next, the main topic is, and in examination point of view, the important topic, that is difference between C and CPP programming languages. Both are similar and they having some basic thing. The C language is procedural oriented program. The C++ is object oriented programming language. That means object oriented programming language having objects. Procedural programming language having functions. Second point, C language follows top down programming approach. Bottom up programming approach. In the C language, we can the programming environment is supports the program can execute from the top of the statements. In the C++, you can write so many classes, objects, and operations can write in the top of the program. But when you call the objects or operations in main function, that code can be executed. If print or display method can write in top of the program, but the method can call in end of the program. Then the method will be executed last of the programming. The file extension of the C program is .c. What is mean by extension? Which can be placed in after the file name. In computer environment, every file name having extension. That is, the extension is helps to find out the what the type of file. For example, you can save a image in your mobile phone. You can choose a name or write a name. For example, happy birthday photos. Simply name as happy birthday. The actually the file name is happy birthday dot, that is jpg file or jpg, bmp or bmp. The jpg are extension of the file names. The type of the file, jpj, it's a image file. bmp, it's a image file. .dvo, .exe, it's a extension executable file. .ppt, it's a PowerPoint presentation file. Likewise, .c, .cpp, hello world.c, it means hello world program in C environment. Hello world.cpp, which means hello world program C++ environment. Okay, all of you understand about extension? Okay, next point. In C programming language, a big program code is divided into small pieces, which is called functions. Okay, a program can divide it into small pieces. Why? Simply development, simply edit, simply you can simple in editing, you can simple in revise, you can simple in updating. You can directly go to that particular function and update. In C++, the programming language, a big program code is divided into objects and classes. In C environment, functions. In CPP, objects and classes. Next point. It doesn't allow inline function. The C is allow inline function. The structure is C++ provides the feature of declaring function as a member of function of the structure. In C programming, the and printf is used for standard and input and standard output. In C++ programming language, the standard input and output functions are cin and cout. We are already used the cout statement in hello world program. Cout hello world. In C language, printf hello world. Next difference is C language is the data is not secure, but C++ supports secure by the encapsulation concepts. Encapsulation concept, which is a best feature in object-oriented programming. The C is older programming language than compared to C language. Simply C++ is extension of the C language. C is not compatible with another language, but CPP is compatible with another generic programming language like other object oriented programming languages. C in C, the variable at the beginning of the program, but CPP allows you declare variable anywhere in the program. The C focus on the steps that are followed to solve a problem, but the C++ emphasize the objects and not the steps of procedures. It has higher abstraction level. And another difference, C does not allow you to use functions overloading, but the overloading concept is helps to develop such a huge programs in C++. So that means C++ supports function overloading. The C doesn't support exception handling, but C++ supports exception handling by using try and catch blocks. C language does not allow functions with default arguments, but C++ is allow functions with default arguments. The C is a subset of C++. It cannot run C++ code, but C++ is a superset of C. It supports C code. That means you can run C programs in C++, but you can't able to run C++ programs in C. The C is function driven language. The C++ is object driven language or object oriented programming language. The C doesn't support encapsulation as a data and functions are separate and free entities, but the C++ support encapsulated together functions and data. C supports built-in data types. CPP supports user defined data types also. That means you can write your own data type in C++ programming language. The C programming allows multiple declaration of the global variables, but C++ doesn't allow multiple declaration of global variables. The mapping between data and functions very complicated in C programming language, but the mapping between data and functions can easily established using classes and objects. Inheritance doesn't support in C language, but inheritance is the one of the best feature in C++ programming language. In inheritance concept helps to usability. That means you can write a class and there is so many objects and fields are there, but the same fields are used in another method. It is helps to use the same fields and data. Programming language having stdio.h type header files, but CPP having iostream. iostreams. The C language contains 32 keywords only, but the C++ programming language having 52 keywords. The C doesn't support polymorphism. That means polymorphism is not possible in C language. But the concepts of polymorphism is used in C programming language. Okay, what are the topics are discussed in today? Just I will recollect. First, what is the CPP? CPP is a extension of C language which is developed in 1979 in Bell Laboratory in New Jersey. What are the main applications of C++? C++ is helps to develop normal applications, browsers, programming language, web-based applications, games, intelligent systems, etc. What type of compilers? We can use different type of compilers in different environments. Like Windows environment, we can use Microsoft Visual C++, Apple environment, Apple CPP.Xcode, IBM environment, IBM C++, in HP environment, HP++, Intel, Intel C++. It means every hardware developer can develop one compilers. What are the advantages? Advantages: it secures, fast, green programming language, and highly recommended. So many millions of the developers, variety of the environment. It supports variety of the environments. In Microsoft, Apple, Mac OS, different versions of Unix like Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat Linux. And finally, difference between C and CPP. Sometimes it supports, sometimes does that support, like polymorphism. Each and every concepts of the object-oriented program is doesn't support in doesn't support in C language. It's only support in CPP language. And keywords, different type of keywords. In C language that is only 32. In CPP that is only 52. C is a procedure-oriented programming language. CPP is the object-oriented programming language. CPP C doesn't having objects. C programming language having functions, but C++ having objects and classes. The programming pieces are called as functions in C language, objects and classes in C++ language. Multi-threading concept doesn't support in C language. It supports in C++ language. Overloading concepts doesn't allow in C programming language. Overloading concepts are allowing in C++ programming language. Okay, all of you understand? Today's session is over. Tomorrow session we will discuss about data types and variables. I think all of you know about data types and control statements in C language, but I will recollect that. I am just what is going on, what is what of the data types and all those things. If you have any doubts regarding my class, please hesitate to contact me in WhatsApp or mail. Okay, I will provide my WhatsApp number and Gmail ID. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day. Thanks for listening.